Hey Stingray Band, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a fantastic summer. Just wanted to make a short little video recording so that way you're clear on everything that needs to happen for Summer Band Week. Yes, Summer Band Week is finally upon us. It starts on Monday, August 1st, and ends this Friday. So as far as detail goes, I know I goofed on one thing. I apologize. Monday is only a half day for the brass and woodwinds. So if you play a brass and woodwind instrument, Monday is only 8 to 12. Okay? Percussion. If you play a percussion instrument, you are there all day long from 8 to 4 o'clock. So please remember to bring your lunch because I don't have any food for you. Okay? So you got to bring like a sandwich or something like that. Or if you get something Ubered, that'd probably be okay too as well. Okay? Hey, everybody, dress normal, dress casual. Shorts are okay if you want to do that. It's very informal. Parents, you all can drop your kids off. I'll be in the back of the school in the bus loop. I'll have the door open or propped open there. I'll be there as early as 7:30. For the first couple of hours on Monday, we're just kind of hanging out in the gymnasium and playing games and stuff. So one of us will be out there kind of directing students where they need to go for the first couple of hours. Then we'll bring them in, start getting them all their instruments and music, and just start to get them ready for the school year so that they have everything that they need. If you have your instrument at home, obviously you'll need to bring that. If you have any music, go ahead and bring that too as well. We're going to be giving you everything pretty much that you need. If you forget something, that's okay. Just bring it back the next day, If you want to take your instrument home, every day you can do that. That's probably what we prefer. If there's a couple of you that maybe need to leave your instrument at the school, that'd be okay too. We can issue a band locker for that as well. Okay? You'll probably want to wear tennis shoes just because we'll be doing a lot of playing around and stuff throughout the week. So, yeah, do that. Okay? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is 8 to 4 for everybody. So full day, 8 to 4. We're going to be mostly inside. We have some guests coming in to work with you all. We're going to be splitting up into different kinds of groups across different rooms. Many of you all are going to meet lots of different people. Maybe you were, especially if you're in beginner band last year, you're going to see people that maybe you've never seen before. And now they're in your band class, so it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to be getting a head start on making some friends for the school year. On Friday is a half day for everybody, and that's always a special day because I always invite Bahama Bucks to come out, and we do a couple of like non-playing things on Friday morning, and then we go outside from like 10 to 12. We put out some music, we've got some games for you to play, and it's just to kind of hang out and have sort of like an end of the week band camp party. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Mr. Connor and I really look forward to seeing you. We've been doing all kinds of things, working through the summer, as it were, trying to get ready for our camp, and also doing different kinds of learning so we can bring to you all some different things for this new year. We're really excited about this 22-23 school year, and we really look forward to seeing you. So I'll see everybody tomorrow morning. Hey, and if you can't make it Monday, that's okay. Come on Tuesday. All right. If you can't make it Tuesday, okay, come on Wednesday. Okay. We want to see you. I know some of you have athletics camp. If you need to do like band in the morning, athletics in the afternoon, that's fine too. We just want to see you as much as we can possibly see you. Okay. All right. Stingray Band, we'll see you tomorrow, Monday, August 1st, 8 a.m. I'll have the band hall opened up earlier at 7:30. See you tomorrow. Bye.